So Trinity baseball 29. So now we got 4 boxes left after this one. So Trinity. Ooh, Barry. Bruce. It's kicking it off. Oh, Barry Larkin 25 at 25. That'd be spot blackjack. So Hurston Waldrop 2-25. The H spot, and the last one's off the board. So. Oh, Griff O'Farrell 449. Again, another one of those last letters. The G spot, Sal. Oh, Luis Morales 24-49. L spot, Colin. Oh, Jacob Melton, clear red, 1/15 for the J spots, Colin. So J Slaviolette, set 99, a good prospect for the J spots. Ooh, 10/15, a red, little Yankee pinstripes, looking like Yankee pinstripes. So Thatcher Hurd, 10/15, patch out for the T spots, Jose. And a little triple. Jalen Flores, Max Bellevue, and Will Gasparino, 22/25. JMW, J Colin, M Colin. Colin taking it down with the triple stack. Well, Texas boys, looks like. All young prospects. Love me some Trinity. We have not had a bad box yet. Who's that calling? Chase, Blackjack, J Blackjack, Luis, G Spot. Box. That's a Trinity 29. Next one is up. So jumping in, everybody.